Simplify root of 24 by 8 plus root of 54 by 9. Let us solve this. As we know, the solution of a single problem can be sought after from different ways. There are different methods, different procedures. We are trying to do it in a simple way. So let's start solving this. Root of 24 divided by 8 plus root of 54 divided by 9. This is equal to, let's take the LCM first. So we have 72 as the LCM. 8 9s are 72, so we get 9 into root of 24 plus, here we have 9 8s are 72, so we have 8 into root of 54. Solving it further, 9 into root of 24. Now root of 24 we can find out the factors. 24, we have 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So we have 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1, that is simply 3, plus 8 into root of 54. Let's find the factors of 54 now, so that we can substitute this number with its factors, so the simplification can be done easily. 54, we have 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, then we have 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So here we can write it as 2 into 3 to the power 3. This whole thing divided by 72, which is equal to 9 into root of 2 cube can be written as 2 square into 2 into 3, which is already there, plus 8 root of 2 into 3 cube can be written as 3 into 3 square divided by 72. Now why have we distributed this 2 cube as 2 square into 2 and 3 cube as 3 into 3 square? Just so that here is the square root and here we have the square, so that will give us single number. Removing the radical, this is equal to 9 into 2 square here gives us 2, and inside this radical we are left with 2 into 3 plus 8 into, here 3 square gives us 3 by removing the radical, and inside the radical sign or square root we have 2 into 3 divided by 72, which is equal to 9 2s are 18 root of 6 plus 8 into 3 is 24 root of 6 divided by 72. Solving it further, root 6 is common in both the cases, so we take root 6 as common and we get 18 plus 24 divided by 72. 18 plus 24, 8 4 12, 2 1 1 2 2 4, is equal to root of 6 into 42 divided by 72. This can cancel out, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, here 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So we are left with root of 6 into 7 by 12 can be simply written as 7 root 6 divided by 12, which is our answer. See how easy and simple it was. Rather than getting scared, you have to start solving the questions and you will get the answer in no time. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.